Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm filming a quick little unboxing on the Yesstyle 2021 Advent Calendar Advent box because this box is huge, it's heavy. This is the Mission KB021 and I got sent this in PR yesterday and I thought I would unbox everything with you guys on camera just in case you're curious about this box and what's inside to see if it's worth it. If you're not really into the whole mystery surprise factor and you want to get some products for a good deal, then maybe you would be interested to see what's inside. I don't know what's inside. I haven't watched any of these videos. I wanted to save it for this video and unbox it with you on camera. So just a big thank you to Yesstyle for sending this over my way. I can't believe I have this. Like, it's so big and I've never had like an advent calendar before, especially one with like products inside. It's so exciting and I love the concept how you open like one little goodie every day. That's so fun. But we're gonna unbox everything today so I can show you what's inside. I'm going to calculate all the prices at the end to see if you actually do save a bit of money if you do purchase this box, which I'm sure you do. But this box, if you want to purchase it for yourself, it is 218 USD and you get 24 items in here, but I don't know what to expect, so let's just go ahead and start unboxing. So I do have a second camera rolling over here so you guys can see more of the box clearly because I want you guys to see my reaction to it, but I also want you guys to see the products as well. I also want to mention that I do have an affiliated code with Yesstyle. It is YesJUDY and you'll save a bit of money on Yesstyle on the entire site. You can use it to save a bit of money on this as well. My dress is from Yesstyle too, so I'll leave all of that info down below in the description, and I'll also try and find all of the products that's inside and link them individually just in case you're curious about the products. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the box. This is what the box looks like. It has like a space theme to it, and then it opens up like a door like this, and then it has 4 drawers in here that you pull out with this little tab. It's super cute. This packaging is really nice. You could repurpose this box. So let's take out this first layer here. So this is the first drawer and we have 6 products in here, and as you can see there is a little hint to what could be inside with an outline of the product. So let's open up the first one. I'm really excited. What could be here? So the first item you'll get is from VT Cosmetics. This is the Seeker Bubbles Sparkling Booster. I think it's face masks. I don't want to open it up because VT Cosmetics is not cruelty free, and all the products that I get in this box that are not cruelty free, I am just going to pass it on to my friends, my family for Christmas. I might add some to give away, but they won't go to waste. But I just wanted to film this so it'll be more helpful to you guys to see what's inside the box. Let's go to number 2 now. Kind of looks like an eye cream. The second item is from the brand Some by Me. It's their Bye Bye Blemish Vitatox Brightening Bubble Cleanser. But let's move into number 3 down on the bottom here. This also looks like an eye cream. Oops, I ruined the box. Okay, what do we have? So the third product is from rom&nd and this is the Hun Or Sharp Brow Pencil, I would assume. Some people do say that rom&nd is cruelty free, but I would say it falls more into the gray area. I'll have to do more research, but this is the second product you get, and I got mine in the shade W1 Gentle Brown. I'm curious if you get this in different shades, but that is the third item. Let's go to the fourth. I ruined the box. The fourth item, this looks like a blush. Oh, this is so cute. So this one is the Skin Food Peach Cotton Multi-Finish Powder. Let's go into number 5 over here. I'm ruining the box, guys. It's okay. That's the whole fun of it. Oh, this one is cruelty free. So this one is from I'm Mimi, which is Mimi Box's brand, and this is their Pip Balm. I have it in the shade number 1 Recharger. I'm excited. And now onto the last item in this drawer. This one looks like, I'm gonna guess, a serum. Oh, COLLAB cruelty free too, yes. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, nice. Okay, so this one is from COLLAB. It's their Snail Hydrogel Eye Patches. I haven't tried this before. I love eye patches, so I'm gonna keep this one. I love COLLAB. Happy to see this too. But let's open this guy up again. Let's take out the second drawer. Okay, in this one we have products from 7 till 12. So let's go to 7. Let's open 7 up. Okay, let me guess first. I think this is a cleanser. This is a cleanser. Oh, this looks like... I thought this was toothpaste. This one is from the brand Holika. It's their lash correcting mascara, and this one is like a little makeup remover, little travel pouch. I know Holika is not cruelty free, so I'll have to pass this one on, but super cute. I don't know why I thought it was toothpaste, because Koreans carry like their toothbrush and toothpaste in little pouches, and they brush their teeth like after every meal. I don't think it's like every Korean, but I know like Harry's parents, they brush their teeth after every meal and they carry like something like this. So it kind of just looked like toothpaste to me, but that's cute. That's cute. Now on to number 8. This looks like maybe a powder to me. Oh, this one's from Clio, another popular brand as well. But this is really pretty. I want to keep this. But this is the Clio Prism Highlighter Duo, and I got the shade number 1 Cream Fizz. This is really pretty. I don't even know what the component looks like, but the packaging is super, super pretty. Now on to number 9. This looks like an eyeliner or a brow pencil. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm having difficulties here. Okay. No, this is a makeup item. This is an eye cream. So this one is from the Plant Base. It's their Time Stop Peptide Eye Cream. Let's go into number 10. This looks like, I don't know, like a nail polish? But it's probably not a nail polish. Okay, this one is from, oh, it's a lip oil. So this one is from McQueen. It's their Volume Fix Essential Lip Oil. Let's go into number 11. This looks like, I don't know, a cream? A BB cream or some sort? Oh, yay! This one is Perudo. I can try this too. Yes, and I have not tried this before. Okay, this one is the Perudo Durmide Seeker Barrier Sleeping Pack. I haven't tried this before. I can open this up because I know I'm going to be trying this. I love Perudo. This is what it looks like. I don't think I've tried anything from Perudo Seeker line, but I have tried from their Centella line, which I love. So this one, I'm excited. It's unscented. That's cool, that's cool. And the last item we have here, because I can kind of see it on this angle, it looks like it's a skincare product. So let's open up number 12. Okay, what is this? A hand cream? So this is the next item. It's from a brand, 11 Village Factory, and this is their hand and foot perfume cream, and I got mine in Fresh Emerald. Okay, let's open up next layer. This is so much fun. It would be so fun to open this daily, but it's also very fun to open everything at once, you know? So third drawer, we have it from 13 to 18. So let's go into 13. This looks like a powder, I would assume. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, Mise-on! Mise-on I can try too. I love their eye cream. You guys recommended me their eye cream. This one is the Mise-on Cleansing Balm. Definitely a lot of new skincare I'm going to be trying from this little box. Okay, what's the next number? Next is 14. This looks really big. I'm gonna assume it's like another cleansing balm maybe, but would they put, oh no, it's sheet mask. I don't want to butcher that name, but that is the brand there, and you get 5. Nice. We love a good sheet mask in this household. I think the drawings don't give you a hint to what's inside, because that is not a face mask, you know? Anyway, let's move into 15. Another skincare. I believe this brand is cruelty free. This is the serum. This is the Unique Noni Light Oil Serum. We'll go into 16. This tub looks like skincare as well, but I don't think the drawings really matter, so maybe I should stop guessing. Dear Claire's. I love Dear Claire's. Oh, I'm excited. This one is Dear Claire's Pore Gentle Black Sugar Charcoal Soap. I haven't tried this product from Dear Claire's, but I love the brand, so that is exciting. And then last item in this drawer, we have 18. Oops, I didn't open 17. We'll just go to 18 first. We'll just jump ahead. This one's from Neogen. It's their All Day Eloxing Fixer Mist. And then 17, since I skipped over this, let's open it. Oh, this is cute. What is this? So this is what it looks like. It's from the brand Calling Co Cosmetics, and it's their cotton candy capsule makeup brush, which is pretty cool. It looks like a little pill. One side you get a big fluffy brush, and the other side's like more skinnier brushes there. Really exciting. But that is the third drawer completed. Let's move into the last. I want to assume the saving like the best for last. Maybe in here we'll have more makeup, because I feel like right now it has been a lot of skincare. I mean, hopefully this eyeshadow drawing here is makeup. But the last drawer we have from 19 to 24. So let's go into 19, shall we? And we have, what is this? This is another skincare item. This is from the brand Secret Key. It's their Black Snail Original Cream, so just like a moisturizer. And then moving into 20, this one's a pretty big one. Ah! Oh my gosh, okay, this is probably the thing I'm most excited for. Unleashia. I'm so excited for this. Okay, this one's from Unleashia. It is their Jet Loose Glitter Gel, and this is in the shade Happy Baker. I'm actually wearing one of their glitters on my eyes right now, and I have been obsessed with it. It's like sealed, which is nice. Oh no. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, this reminds me of like the ColourPop little gels where they have like that sticky base. I wish there were like more chunkier glitters inside, but still, I'm really happy to have that, and it actually comes with this cover. I'm gonna test this out. Oh yay, I'm so happy that this was included. 21. We have another skincare item. I'm not saying the skincare items are bad, but it is just like a lot of skincare. I wish to see like more makeup, I would say. This one is from the brand Innisfree, not Innisfree, Innisfree. And this is the Real Mugwort Clay Mask. Let's hop into 22. I'm gonna stop guessing because yeah, these photos don't allude to what the products are inside. Yay! Oh my gosh, yay, this one. Ah! Yes, oh yes. So the sticker is blocking the name, but this is from the brand I'm From, and it's their honey serum, and I love this. I've been actually meaning to repurchase this, and I'm so happy that I got it. Okay, they really did save the best for last for me personally. I love this honey serum. Yes, I'm so happy. Go into 23. Oh my gosh, second to last. What could it be? It looks like, I feel like it's gonna be a lipstick. It has to be makeup. Yes, I was right. I was right. Oh, I think I follow this brand on Instagram. I'm excited for this one too. Okay, so this one is from the brand Mersey. I'm probably pronouncing that really wrong, but this is the Bite the Beat Mellow Tint. This one's really exciting because I actually think I do follow them on Instagram. Last item, number 24. It has to be a goodie. It has to be a goodie. Like, it just has to be. Okay. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm like... There we go. There we go. Okay, what is this? What is the last item? Okay, this one is quite nice. I can't try it because it's from the brand Petite, and this is their All Take Mood Palette in the shade number 4, Beautiful Rose. That sounds so pretty, beautiful. I'm gonna just open it because I just want to see what it looks like for Rose. This is really pretty. That's really pretty. It's like a cool tone mauvey palette. Okay guys, so that was the unboxing portion done. That was so much fun. I'm gonna go off camera and just tally up my thoughts, the makeup to skincare ratio. I'll figure out all the pricing for you guys as well, and we'll be right back. So I am back with the numbers. So in total, we have 11 makeup items and 13 skincare items, which is a really great ratio, to be honest. I don't know why. I think when I was just unboxing everything. It just felt like it was skincare after skincare. I didn't realize that we actually did have a lot of makeup items. So that's a pretty good ratio. It's almost split half and half, which is not bad. But the value of this box, guys, is so mind-blowing. So the total of every single product, if you purchase these off Yesstyle, all 24 items, this will come to $409.21. But you are purchasing this box for $218.38. So essentially you save $190.83. Like, guys, that is such a good deal. And I think if you have been interested in, I would say, I don't know, half of these products, this would be such a great deal for you guys to get. Or if you're someone that wants to get into K-beauty, this is a really great arrangement of products, because I feel like a lot of the products don't overlap. Like even with the skincare, you have like a serum. Well, I think you get 2 serums, but then you get like a cream, you get an eye cream, you get eye, like there's a variety of things. Even in the makeup, it's not like you're getting 3 eyeshadow palettes. You only have 1 eyeshadow palette. You have 1 mascara to play. Like, you know, it's a really good variation from different brands. Some brands are more popular, like Clio, Perudo, COSRX, brands that I'm familiar with, but then brands that I'm not so familiar with, that I've never heard of before. So you get a really good range, and I'm really surprised with that value. Like, it's literally half price. Like, you could just say that it is half price. And even if you are not interested in some things, Christmas is coming up, just give it away, you know, just give it to some of your friends, because that's what I'm going to be doing with some of the products that I can't try out because it's not cruelty free. If you are cruelty free like me, then obviously maybe this is not such a great value, because there's only so many things you can try. With that being said, that is going to conclude today's unboxing. I really was just going to make this a really chill, quick unboxing, but I whipped out a second camera, and I'm pretty sure my editing is going to take me long as well. But anyway, it's fine. I do it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you could give it a thumbs up for me, I'd appreciate it so much. Let me know what you guys think of this box down below. I'm still mind blown by that price point, like $400, and you're only getting it for $200. Like, that's crazy. Anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.